पर्वरेंत येवकार दिवपाक हांव ममता बॅनर्जी हांकां मेळ्ळो. अजून टीएमसीत प्रवेश घेवपाचो कांय विचार ना. मात आप टीएमसी पक्षांत म्हजे कडेन संपर्क साधला. मात पयलीं तांचे गोंया खातीर कितें विचार आसा ते जाणा जावन घेतल्या बगर असलें कांय पावल हांव उखलचो ना म्हण शंकर फडते उलयला. RD एक्सक्लुसिव्हा खातीर बेतीच्यान संजय मनोली.
We are here at Malim Jetty and we were informed that one of our national leaders and Supremo of All India Trinamool Congress, Mamata Banerjee, will be coming to our village and to our Porvorim constituency. So as a gesture of goodwill, we are here along with our members to greet Mamata Didi and to welcome her in our Porvorim constituency and in our Goa.
Are you trying to join TMC?
There are no such plans. I am not trying to join TMC, but TMC has approached me. Likewise, Aam Aadmi Party has also approached me. So political parties are approaching, but unless and until I am satisfied that they are here for the growth of Goans, I will not consider joining any such party.
Okay.
Unless I am satisfied with their plans.